Hi everybody and welcome to Harfang High Level tutorial. So first we need to import Harfang High Level, rename it HL for simplicity and create the scene. So HL init. So we create a window of 512 by 512. Add an FPS camera to move the camera around. So in 0, 0, 0, easier way to remember. After we will make our game loop. So update in draw until we want to exit and pass. So it will be our basic loop. We launch a program which will create the scene and compile it. The window is here and it's empty. So now we go back to Harfang Studio. So open project. And in our project, in Harfang resource project, we have our project. So create a new scene. We'll name it scene. It's empty. And now import our GLTF, which is in assets. It's a damage helmet from the GLTF sample. Import. And we have our damage helmet. Now return to the scene and scene add instance damage helmet. And it's imported in our scene. Save it. Now we put our camera in 0, 0, 0, so we can move the instance a bit back. Save it. Now return to here. We have to load it. So load scene. And the scene is from the path scene is from the roots in resources. So it just scene.in. Scene.in. Try it. It will compile the new scene and import here. And we have our damage helmet here with our FPS camera. And that's it. You know how to use Harfang Studio with Harfang High Level. See you soon with new tutorial.